Make a great choice today with
the 2020 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.